Hello everybody, I am back to another video, and today it is raining right now at night. It has been raining like all day. We got a little break of rain early though. It's pretty cool. Look how dark over there, guys. Look how dark it is. Yeah, it's slowing down. Yeah, guys. We didn't see me hear no thunder or no lightning. But yeah, it's just sprinkly. It's wet on the floor. And yeah, guys. No thunder. But yeah, guys. It would be awesome there's thunder right now, guys. It's been raining all day. It's really cold, guys. You guys see the smoke? Yeah. It's like around 50 degrees. And I have to feed my cat soon. And yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is raining. More rain's coming. And I'll give you guys updates. And yeah, guys. See you guys in this one. Take care, everybody.